Tim Mangan from Team Merchant Technologies, here at what Google calls my work office. I'm going to be the closing keynote speaker at this year's AppManagEvent in Utrecht in the Netherlands on Friday, October 11th. I hope you'll be there. There's going to be a lot of great speakers, but let me tell you a little bit about what I'm going to talk about. I'll be talking about what's new in technology, what works, and where there are going to be challenges out there that you have to watch for. But most of all, I'm going to explain why packaging is becoming cool again. So here I am in my real office in Canton, Massachusetts, a little south of Boston in the US. Now, this isn't exactly where artificial intelligence makes Google think I work, but this is really where I get most of my work done. Now, I do spend a lot of time out on the road. Last year, I visited 13 European countries in 12 months. And in that time, what I'll end up doing is having conversations with the folks that are IT pros responsible for the desktop and application deployments in their companies and talk to them about what it is they're working on, what challenges they have, and what are they looking forward to in the future. And in those conversations, I've seen a lot of commonality. Over the past few years, once organizations got over that big hurdle of getting onto Windows XP, they've really been in a little bit of holding mode. From an application standpoint, over the last couple of years, they really haven't done much at all. It's all been about the desktop and figuring out how to operationalize Windows 10. But now the time is coming that we need to start looking at those applications again and see how we can improve our operations and make our companies more flexible moving forward. There are some new technologies that are out there that can help. There's a lot of things going on, not only with the packaging end of the business, but how we deploy the operating systems and making use of cloud and integration with SaaS technologies and this whole new thing for a desktop that isn't necessarily the physical device sitting right in front of you. So those are the kinds of things that I want to talk about with you. I'll try to help you understand what those new technologies are, the things that I think are going to be winners, and the things that I think you need to be a little bit careful about, and the things that you need to watch for in those technologies that could cause you a challenge going forward. And by the way, if you're really into packaging, you really need to consider attending my class the following week. It's a master's class on AppV and MSIX packaging. I'll be holding at the headquarters of PDS in Culemborg, just a couple of train stops south from the convention center in Utrecht. I hope to see you there.